Ready, guys? All right. Shh, we're being screencast. Glucose molecules go through the process of glyco, which means sugar, lysis, which means split, which produces two molecules of pyruvate and a net gain of 2 ATP. Actually, it's 4 ATP, but minus 2, right? But it's a net gain of 2. The pyruvate can go through either an aerobic process, right? This glycolysis, no oxygen, okay? This is anaerobic. But if we do have oxygen, we can go through aerobic, where the pyruvate goes into the blank, in a cell. What organelle does the pyruvate go if we have oxygen? The mitochondria. There we go. Chondria. Where the blank cycle. Thank you. Let me call on some people. Produces. Who do I want to pick on? Produces the blank cycle. Produces. Princess. How many ATP? How many did Miss Krebs make for him? No. That's when she. ETC made 36. 2. The molecules then can go to the what, everybody? Electron transport chain, which produces a total of, Jose, ETC, how many total they can make? That's the big one. Nope. Keep it going. 8, 10, 12, 14. What are we going to end up with? Class, what is it? 36. No, 32. So, let's do some math. Hey, let's all be wrong together, okay? So we got 2 molecules of ATP from the first process, which is glycolysis. We got 2 molecules from the what? The Krebs cycle. And then we have 32 from the what? ETC. For a total of, hopefully we can, 2 plus 2 plus 32, right? All right, lactic acid fermentation is, let's go, anaerobic. We have lactic acid fermentation in a what type of cell? What? Muscle. Produces how many ATP? 0. Fermentation produces 0. Guess what produces the 2 ATP? Fermentation allows glycolysis to happen. So it produces 0 ATP and lactic acid. So lactic acid fermentation actually results in 2 ATP from glycolysis. So 2 ATP are produced. Or it can go to what other type of fermentation? Alcoholic. What type of cells do that? Not a muscle cell. That would be nice if every time you worked out without oxygen you got drunk. That would be, just sit there. Just hold your breath and do jumping jacks. Right? If it was your muscle cells that went through this, hold your breath and do jumping jacks. And just, I don't know, get drunk? Does it get turned up? Is that what it is? Did I get turned up? Is that what that is? Is it turned? Is that too old now, or are we past that now? Let me know what the new term is, guys. It's lit? No, that's from back, no, I remember that back in the 80s. Oh, you guys are you're just recycling old stuff. Lit, please. That's how it worked. It's all cyclical. All right, yeast. Produces how many ATP? 0, because it's glycolysis. Alcohol, but what else do we produce besides alcohol? Carbon dioxide gas. So we have 2 ATP from? Glycolysis for a net gain of 2. Got it? Guess where this goes, everybody? Why are you guys yelling at me? Wow. Stop.